Changes to the ACC Grassroots website for members. There's a separate video which shows the changes for club directors. So there are only a handful of changes for members this season. If I start by going to the club directory, you'll notice that in addition to being able to filter by state, you can also now filter by the number of games that a club plays. So starting this season, Grassroots is going to support both 9-game clubs and 6-game clubs. And so each club listed in the directory now shows the number of games that that particular club plays. At this point, I just have a few example clubs for 6-game clubs. We'll be loading in all the new 6-game clubs later this week. But when a club is a 6-game club, you'll see a 6-game club here. And then when you're looking to find a club to play at, you can filter by state as you always could, and then you can filter by the number of games and see just the clubs that are going to be 6-game clubs. For example, Club 144 in Georgia is going to a 6-game format. So that'll be new this season. In the standings, everything remains more or less the same, except because there is now this 6-game format, there's an additional division, and so all the 6-game clubs will be in Division 4, and you'll be able to see the standings for that division, just like you can see for any of the other divisions. So just an additional division there. Changes to the schedule section. So now, starting this season, you can see both upcoming Grassroots regional and national tournaments. We implemented this last season for the national tournament. We've now extended that code to work for the regional tournament as well. So as directors schedule both their regionals and nationals, you'll be able to come here to find upcoming regionals and nationals. Again, you can filter by state as you could before, or now you can filter by whether you want to see upcoming regionals or nationals as well. And if I filter down to, for example, a regional, I can see just the regionals that are coming up, or I can see just the nationals that are coming up. The only other change, I think, so you can come here, and you'll be able to see the results again of the regional or the national. And just like with the national last season, you can either see the overall results, or you can actually see the results from each different local Grassroots regional or national that go into combining to make up the entire results. So you can see who played where and how each individual local tournament ended up, and then you can switch back and check out overall, and then that shows you the combined results for the entire Grassroots national. Or I can click on the regional, for example, and I can see the results for each of the different regions overall. And then under stats, the only thing to be aware of here is we've now got this all-time leaders, and this actually shows everyone. At this point, it shows everyone who has ever earned an award. We've added back to the database everyone who has earned an award lifetime, and so this will now update in real time as the season goes on, and as points become approved, this will just naturally update itself throughout the season, and so the lifetime totals will just increment and be correct in real time. And so you can come here and kind of check that out whenever you want throughout the season. Those are the main changes for members in terms of the stuff that they're checking out this season.